here we are today at Epcot. Today is a very special day for us. It is Nadia's birthday. We are so excited to be here. We are going to do something special that we have never, there's a hair on my face, never done before. We are going to eat with all of the princesses at Akershus in Epcot and the Norway Pavilion. We're super excited for our little girl to have dinner with all of the princesses today and celebrate her turning 8 years old. So join us and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so we made it to Akershus. Let's go ahead and start standing in line apparently. Happy birthday! Ooh, look at the chairs. No.
My name is Tiana and I will be seated for today.
So yeah, we're just gonna wait here for our food. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat.
I'm about to eat something.
Okay. Nadia, there was Belle. Did you see her? What are you going to say that's important?
My brother is now an adult. He's 10 years old.
That is true at Disney.
It says one child, every adult, because already now adult.
That is so true. Once you're 10 years old, you're considered an adult at Disney.
So over can get married.
No.
Thank you so much for being my guest this evening. I imagine you've all been on lots of family adventures today.
We have.
I love spending time with my papa. He's usually in his workshop coming up with a genius invention. How do you all like spending time together?
We like coming to the parks.
Do we travel from a faraway kingdom?
No, we live in Orlando.
Oh my goodness, how exciting!
We're celebrating her birthday today.
Birthday! Oh, happy birthday, my friend! How old are you turning? 8 years old! Do you like reading? Not really. Oh, that's all right. Perhaps we can find adventures together then, all right? Should we all take some portraits?
Yes. Stand up, Nadia. Oh, that's great.
Thank you, my friend. Very happy birthday. Au revoir.
Oh, that was so fun, Nadia. You got to see Belle. All right, so we got our drinks. So I can't remember what she called this, but this is a flatbread. And then it has this cinnamon and sugar butter. And so what she said what you do is you unroll it, and then you spread the cinnamon sugar bread on butter on it, and then you roll it back up and you eat it. So that sounds delicious. And then we have some salad. So Nadia got chocolate milk, Owen got lemonade, Brandon and I got Coke Zero. All right, let's go ahead and start eating, and then I'm pretty sure we're going to see Princess Tiana is the next one that we are going to get a visit from. All right, so I unrolled it. It is warm. And then I'm going to take my knife, get some of the cinnamon and sugar butter on it, and then spread it out. And then we're going to roll it back up. All right, so now I'm going to roll it back up. And now you have your like little cinnamon twist. Let's try it.
Hey there, y'all. Hey, Sugar. I love the ball gown you got on. Now you two look like you're about ready to go to a ball. I've been to one before. They're kind of like really big parties. Music, dancing. I'll be sure to send out an invitation so that way y'all can come to the next ball over at my restaurant, all right? Would you like to take a portrait so I can show body? Come on in, baby girl. Come on in, Nancy. There we are.
Beautiful. I love it.
I'll be sure to send out your invitations, all right? Bye. 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 Hey there, y'all.
You just saw Tiana. Was that great? And this is really good, by the way. This salad is really good too. Has some like assorted lettuce on it, and like I think radishes and poppy seeds maybe. And it's like some kind of vinaigrette dressing, and it has tomatoes and cucumbers.
What are we celebrating? Is there going to be a royal ball tonight? Is that what you're celebrating? That is always my favorite to celebrate. I love getting to go dancing. Which timing and I always say everyone is eligible. Shall we show off our
Beautiful, good.
celebration? I hope your birthday wishes come true.
Bye, thank you. Nadia, that was Cinderella. Wasn't that wonderful? She's so beautiful.
We got cheese and bits. The main product. If there's anything you want more of, just let me know, okay?
Okay. Happy birthday! That's wonderful!
Nancy, would you like a hug? Thank you so much. Would you like a hug as well? Thank you, Starfish. We have to keep an eye out for something. He could be dropping some people off us in the air. Have fun on your feet today.
Bye, thank you!
Ready to cameras and please applaud our royal princess promenade.
Oh, a promenade.
Yeah.
They're gonna walk. Did you love having dinner with all the princesses?
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite? Cinderella. She was super nice, wasn't she? Yeah? What was your favorite food that you ate tonight? She's thinking. You don't know? The mac and cheese. All right. Here is our dessert. It looks so delicious. Chocolate cake. Oh my goodness. Yum. And this is, and the flag is white chocolate, so you can eat it as well. There's strawberry sauce up here. I thought she said rice.
No,
Rice pudding?
I think it's whipped cream.
It's mashed potatoes.
It's not mashed potatoes. No.
Looks like whipped cream.
It does look like whipped cream. It's not ice cream.
I don't know what it's like.
I don't know. All right, let's give it a taste. All right, go ahead and taste it, Nadia. What do you think? What is it? What is the flavor?
This is watermelon.
Watermelon? I thought she said it was strawberry.
I don't know. It's strawberry.
Okay.
The white kind of tastes, tastes like kind of plain.
Okay. All right. I'm back with, but. It's good. I like it. It's kind of clumpy.
What does that mean?
It has like chunks to it. But I like the strawberry sauce on top of it. It adds to it, definitely. It's really good. All right, let's try the cake. They brought out a cupcake with a candle for Nadia. Aww. That looks so good.
This is so cold.
All right. Woo. All right. So I cut a little tiny slither. All right, so let's try this chocolate cake. We're gonna get the icing and everything in it. Yum, yum. That is good. That's very rich. It's not like normal cake. I think it tastes like a lot of mousse. It tastes like a whole lot of mousse, but I love the icing in it. It's good.
This is so cold on its side.
Honestly, really like the strawberry
Ooh, I like
and rice pudding.
potatoes.
I'm gonna lick this up and you could have it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, one bite.
Mixing them together. The cake and the strawberry and the rice pudding. That's good. They gave us these postcards with signatures from all of the princesses, even the ones that we didn't see today. We only saw 4 here. Belle, Cinderella, Tiana, and Ariel. But look, we have Snow White, Mulan. Who else do we have? Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, Princess Jasmine we didn't see, and Aurora. What's the back? Oh, Akershus. That's awesome. So they gave one to each of our kids. Owen has one and Nadia. Look at this beautiful display. Oh, once upon a time, a great Viking king and queen welcomed royal visitors to the castle Akershus. That tradition continues as we invite you to experience a feast fit for royalty of all ages. How beautiful! The food was so delicious. It was so good. We are so full right now. We had so much to eat, and you could have more of anything that you wanted. If you wanted more mac and cheese, she asked if we wanted more salmon, but like we couldn't eat anymore. Everything was so filling. Everything was so delicious. Owen loved the green beans too. Like he kept going for more and more green beans, so that made my heart happy. My son loves those vegetables. But the food was really delicious here. And so now it's 8:30, and I think the park here at Epcot closes at 9 o'clock tonight. So we don't have much more time before we need to go. Did you have a great birthday?
Yeah.
Nadia had a wonderful 8th birthday here at Epcot, and we went to Typhoon Lagoon earlier today. The music is really loud right now, but we had an excellent time. Thank you so much for watching. Akershus was delicious food, and we saw 4 princesses. It was an amazing time. And now it's your family time.